hot or cold with a cream or vinegar dressing full of veggies, pickles, eggs, or herbs. Everyone has a favorite and different potato salad recipe, usually passed down from a family member. This is a dish often served at summer potlucks, family barbecues, and picnics. Accompanying dishes include deviled eggs, pasta salad, burgers, hot dogs, or fried chicken, and somehow potato salad manages to complement them all. One thing all recipes have in common is the importance of the type of potato used, as well as how they are cooked.
Now the first thing, you want to peel 6 large red potatoes after just washed. Cut into just a really large size. Either way, they want to boil on high, has been already covered with water that I already put in 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. You're going to cook this on high for the potatoes for 25 minutes. Once you're done that, you're going to drain it over like I already done this before, and just going to keep that slightly warm, and we're going to prepare the rest. So to make the creamy white salad dressing, in a large bowl, we're going to start with 1 cup of real mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 3/4 teaspoons of ground black pepper. I'm just going to combine 6 of these together, and you're going to stir this around with a whisk to get that really smooth. Here you are, guys. Just nice and quick, creamy white salad dressing. We're going to set this aside for the momentarily. Potatoes are just cooked and very tenderized. You can stick it with a fork or a paring knife to check how the potatoes are perfectly alright softened. If they're not, just cook it a little more. Now I just already cut all the potatoes very bite-sized pieces. Then I put it into this separate bowl, very large one, and we're going to assemble. I peel and I mince 1 medium sweet onions. I also mince 1 or 2 celery sticks. I'm just gonna keep tossing it real quick. Now let's add something with your favorite herbs. I'm using a 1/4 cup of roughly chopped fresh parsley and a 1/4 cup of roughly chopped fresh dill. You can also use the tarragon, some chives, either the oregano. It is completely up to you. Any kind of herbs you like. I'm just gonna keep toss it. Now I already peeled and diced 2 hard-boiled eggs. If you don't like the hard-boiled eggs, you can leave it out here. It doesn't really matter. Just gonna break all around with the hard-boiled egg. And one last thing, don't forget to add with the creamy white salad dressing. And just gonna keep toss. One more lastly. I like to put all the creamy dressing right at the end before I'm gonna keep toss all coated. Oh yeah, I almost forgot the dill pickles. I'm using about 2 that has been already minced about. Put that right in through, and let's gonna keep toss around. We're almost done. Once you got tossed all around, you can go ahead and plate it up onto the serving platter. Alright, this might be perfect. This is how it looks like this. And here's the finished potato salad. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Always have to make sure to be always watch before sharing. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everyone. As always, enjoy for the potato salad.
Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.